Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you struggle with acid reflux and take famotidine, I want to show you this Amazon Basics version because this is such an affordable option if you take this on a regular basis. So this 2-pack is 2 bottles. They each have 200 tablets, so you get 400 tablets for a really great price. And these tablets are so small. You can see here that they are just a little tiny tablet, so they're easy to swallow. And they are 20 milligrams each, which is what my husband's doctor has prescribed for him. And since this is over the counter, it's so nice to be able to get this just shipped to the door and not have to make any special trips out to get it. So getting a nice big pack like this means that he is set for a while, and he is really happy with the results and that it helps to keep his acid reflux under control. So if you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to get famotidine, I would definitely check out these Amazon Basics tablets, and that is my point of view.